Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to use the for loop for if else loop uh, using the C compiler. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my other channel, Exotic Snowflake. The link will be in the description. And if you want online, uh, if you want this online C compiler which I'm using, then the link will be in the description. So you can also get it. You don't need to download it because it's online. So let's start. So whenever we start a program, you always have to include the library. So you have to put ash include and then the library's name, which is stdio.h. Make sure to put both of them, put stdio.h uh, in more and less symbol, like this. And now you always have to make it start, so put int name in the next line, and then put brackets. And then click on enter to go to the next line. Then open up a curly bracket, just one curly bracket, and click on enter. And now first, how will it be like? Uh, it will first ask us to enter a number, and it will check if the number which we entered is less than 5. If it's less than 5, it will say that the number is less than 5. Otherwise, it will say it is more than 5. So, uh, int put int number, since we don't know what number the person will be putting, and then close this statement by a semicolon, and then go to the next line. Type print s and put brackets and then this, and then put enter number. So printf, whenever we are starting this program, it will ask us enter a number, and so this is why we are using printf. It's printing the statement which is enter a number in over here, and close this statement with a semicolon. Go to the next line and put scanf and then brackets, and then put percent %d. Make sure the d is in small letters, and then before the bracket, just before the bracket, put comma, and then put a space, and then put and number. So what it will do, once we enter put the number and click on enter, then it will scan the number. So this is why we are using %d. %d means decimal. And now we have to close this statement by using a semicolon. Now we will start with if else. So go to the next line, type an if, and then put brackets. So if number, because we don't know what number the user is putting. So number, and then put the less sign, and then put 5. So if number is less than 5, then what it will do is it will tell that um, that the number is less. So for this you don't have to put you don't have to close the statement because this is a loop. So go to the next line, open another curly brackets and click on enter, and then put print f and then a space and brackets, then percent d. So percent d means it will show the number. So percent d, which is the number, is less than 5 or any number that you want, and then close this, and then also right before the bracket put a comma and put number, and then let's do for the else. So right after this if bracket ends, go to the next line, put else, and go to the next line, open curly brackets and click on enter, and then put if it's not less than 5, then it will print f, it will print, so we'll put printf brackets percent d, make sure that the d is in small letters, is more than 5. And then again the same thing like the for if, but we are just changing this more. Uh, we are just changing the less to more. So put the comma and the number and close this statement like this. And then always right after the bracket of else ends, go make a new line and then put return 0 for the program to stop. And now it, it once we click on this run over here, make it will first ask us a number, and then check, it will scan that number, and it will check if uh, if it's less than 5. If it is less than 5, then it will print that whatever the number is less than 5. If the number which we entered is more than 5, then it will print uh, the number which we put is more than 5, and then this return 0 will be is there. So for it to stop the program, so after this return 0, make sure to put the semicolon to close that statement. And now let's see if it works or not. So we'll click on this run button over here. Instead of clicking this run button, we can also click on F9, but I'm going to click on this run button. So it's compiling the program. Now it's asking to enter a number. So first let's put it less than 5. So let's put 3 and then click on enter. So it's saying that 3 is less than 5. Now if we again click on run, now this time we'll put something more than 5, like 7, and then click on enter. Now it's saying 7 is more than 5. So it was an easy program to make. Uh, uh, so if you want, you can get this. If you want this online C compiler, then make sure to click on the link below in the description. and make sure to subscribe to my other channel. The link will be in the description also. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.